Okay, so we're going to go through the referral source maintenance screen. We'll use this form whenever there is a facility or an agency that is not an avatar or needs to be edited for its address or zip code or what have you. So in this case, what is the referral facility that you're trying to add?
Northeastern Vermont Regional Hospital.
Okay, so first let's just go to the edit referral code and just make sure that we search for it in a couple of different ways just to make sure it's not there.
Yeah, which I did that as many ways as I could.
Perfect.
And then I even did NVRH, which is the other way that we say it.
Excellent. So let's go to add referral code then.
Okay.
All right. So the first thing that you're going to do is the new referral code source, but you can go ahead and do that.
Sorry.
So the new referral source code, this is just something that you're going to enter. We can change the name of something multiple times, but this code is going to be embedded in the system. So what I told Diane was that use 2021. So we're just going to enter the year and then enter in a number. So like 02 after that. Yeah, perfect. There you go. Perfect. So the category will always be all. If you know the specialty, you can go ahead and enter it.
No.
Okay. And if you have any other information about the address or the zip code, it's all not required. So there's that.
It's in St. Johnsbury. Vermont. Okay. I don't know the county.
And then go ahead and file referral on the bottom right.
Yay!
There it is. All right, now go back to the checklist. And you should be able to.
Yay!
There it is.
Awesome. So now I just uncheck this part and delete that.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
That's easy.
Yeah, that's not bad at all, right?